Greetings to all the lecturers. My name is Jiaton. My matrix number is 67438. We're going to present the proposal of penhole motor web application. So as 2020 is a tough year for everyone because of pandemic, especially those who own the shop and company, same as our client penhole motor shop, who provide services such as selling spare parts and repairing the motorcycle, has suffered this pandemic because they need to implement the standard operation procedure SOP by the government. In order to help our client, we introduced the PH Motor web application. This web application will let client customer to make orders and set appointment online via website to decrease the number of customers in the shop. All the client requirement and specification will be used as our team guideline in developing this PH Motor web application. Next, company. This is our client company breakout. Our client company name is Ben Hall Motor Shop and is owned by Ben Hall. He has 30 years experience in repairing the motorcycle, and here are the news to the year. He start his shop at 1989 in Kedah, and at 2000 when he has stable income, he start expanding his business by selling spare parts. And the next thing is, this is our team background. Our team name is G-Loop, and this is our team logo, and it's formed at 12 October 2020, and our team leader Ban Junyi, including the member Eddie Lau Hui, Lim Zi Tim, Manu Daniel, Anna Patrick, Guitemi, and myself, Wijaton. So our team is to help our client to overcome their choices and fulfill his every need in developing this PH Motor web application. That's all for my part. Thank you.
Good day to all the lecturers. My name is Lim Zhi and my metric number is 66492. So today I'm going to present a problem statement, project objective, and project perspective. Problem statement. Peng Ho Motor Shop rely on daily walk-in customer. Therefore, there is not a platform for customer to purchase product and make service appointment at their convenient time. Next, it is inefficient when there are many customers at the same time due to lack of worker during this pandemic. Lastly, many sales and purchasing record which leads to insufficient area to store the record and difficulty in generate sales report also cause them hard to keep track of their business earning and expenses. Project objective. To study and analyze the problem that Peng Ho Motor Shop is facing during this COVID-19 pandemic. Next, to design and develop a system based on clients' requirement to test and evaluate whether the developed system is done according to customer requirement as expectations. Lastly, to deploy a high quality system for our client once meet the project deadline. Project perspective. So this web application is to help owner to manage all motor service appointments and simplify the ordering process, and also to simplify the operational environment to get feedbacks from customer. So customer can access the website through laptop or smartphone. So there is a lot of function for this web application, such as to view the choices of motorcycle spare parts with its respective price, to place orders for the motorcycle spare parts, to book an appointment for motorcycle service, to email customer receipt once customer pay for their orders, to pay for orders via online payment, to keep all the purchasing record for the shop, to view company's information and background, to generate daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly sales report. So that's all from my presentation. I will pass to the next person. Thank you.
Greeting to all lecturers. My name is Peter Beng, metric number 66053. Today I'm going to present about the project scope and the software methodology. The main goal of this project is to build a usable and functional business web application for the Peng Ho Motor Shop, so that we can help them to overcome some hardship during this pandemic. During the development of the website, we will use Windows 10 as our default OS, Visual Studio Code as our source code editor, 000 web host for our web hosting, and Google Chrome for our default internet browser. Then we will use HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, and MySQL to build the website. This is the system module for our website. First, our system consists of the user interface, where the user are able to interact with the system by using the user interface. Second, there are the two main user for this system. First is the customer. The customer will be able to make the appointment, and the appointment need to be approved by the admin side. Then after the customer have just select the product that they want to buy, the customer can choose checkout. The checkout For the checkout, the customer need to fill in some necessary information, for example, the payment option or the online delivery or takeout. After the customer have successfully checked out, the customer will need to make some payment by using the online transaction gateway. The shop will receive the notification once the customer has done the online transaction successfully. Then, two copy of receipt will be sent through email to the customer at the admin side. This will act as the proof of purchase. Then for the second user, which is the admin side, the main function for website of the admin side is that the website able to generate the report for the selected month, so that the admin can monitor the sales through the website. Then the second function for the admin is that the admin can check the inventory. The quantity of the product will be shown at the inventory in the website. In this project, our team decided to use a software methodology called Agile. There are various types of Agile methodologies such as extreme programming, feature-driven development, and Scrum. Our team chose Scrum as our Agile methodology. This is due to Scrum is a simple and effective iterative development. In Scrum, there are three main roles: product owner, Scrum master, and Scrum team. For our project, the product owner is Peng Ho Motorshop owner, which is responsible to produce a product backlog. The Scrum master is functionally our team leader, which act as a facilitator to guide us throughout the project. Then the Scrum team, which consists of product owner, Scrum master, and development team, they work together to create a desirable product. Then there are three Scrum artifacts: product backlog, sprint backlog, and product increment. The product backlog is a list of system requirements that needed include into the product. The sprint backlog is a list of items that selected from the product backlog to be included into the future sprint. Next, the product increment is a product that built based on increment of previous sprint product. Then there are five main scrub events: sprint planning, daily scrub, sprint review, sprint retrospective, and the sprint. In the sprint planning, the product owner will be work together with the development team in order to discuss which product backlog item needed to be included into the next sprint. The daily scrub is a daily 15-minute meeting that conducted by the development team. A sprint review conducted by the product owner and the development team in order to review incremental product. A sprint retrospective is conducted after the sprint review in order for the product owner and the development team to discuss for the future improvement in the future sprint. The sprint goal is to create a product that is usable and visible. The sprint deadline cannot be changed, but only the product functionality can be changed. The advantage of the Scrum methodology is it's more agile, means it's more fast. The failure is more easy to detect compared to other methodology. The product owner able to add and change the item of the product backlog during the project duration. This Scrum is more suitable for small team, which, for example, us. Scrum is also save cost and time, and the product owner are able to give feedback to us for us to improve the product.
Greetings to all lecturers. My name is Antonio, matrix number 67455. So I am the project manager in this project and I act as a leader in the software development process. So I will be in charge of managing the whole software development process, such as responsible in making changes and decisions throughout the software development process, monitoring and ensure the project are always on track. So Lim Jiteng is our customer interface manager and also design manager. She will be design a user-friendly system interface according to the client requirement, and she will be providing design idea for project and also present about the project design. So Hui Tianbing is our implementation manager and also our test manager. So he will be implement the client request system for real testing and test the system, see whether usable or not before handing to our client. And if got any bug or issue, he will report it to the software team. Next is our Andy, which is our planning and process manager. So he will monitor the team process and plan all the activities such as meeting, and he himself will monitor the development of the process and improve it if have an issue. and ensure the development team has enough resources throughout the project. Next is Manuel, which is our quality manager. So he will provide first-hand review on the system to see whether the system meet the requirement, and he will meet with the client to discuss about the system requirement and provide suggestions to improve the quality of the system. Last is Mijato, which is our support manager. So he will guide and solve client problem regarding the system. So our team have actually set some goals throughout this project to achieve. First is to develop a quality system that fulfill client requirements so our client is happy and satisfied with the system. Second, we want our team member can cooperate well by helping each other and share their knowledge. Third, we have to ensure that our project can be delivered to client on time and finish within our budget. Last, we want our team member and work in a pleasure environment. That's all from me. Thank you.
Good morning, madams. My name is Manuel, and I will be presenting our group project expected results. For working system, in this project, our team will be developing a web application based on the problems and requirements provided by our client, Peng Ho Motor. Firstly, the feature that we include in the web application is to allow the user to make an appointment. Once the user has done the appointment, system will provide an approval telling them that the appointment is successful. Next feature is to enable the user to make an order for the motor parts. The motor parts will be shown with the price on the web application. This feature includes the checkout as well as the payment. For payment, we will be using the online transaction gateway function, which is online banking or debit/credit card. Once the payment has been made, the user will be alerted with a notification that the order has been made and will be provided with a computer-generated receipt. Lastly, another feature that we include is the admin management. This feature includes with the report and inventory. The report contains the pie chart for the sales of the product in a certain month, which only can be viewed by the admin. This helps the admin to know which certain products have the largest sales for that certain month. In the inventory, the web application allows the admin to monitor the inventory, which includes with the quantity of the product shown. This will allow the admin to manage the inventory inside the web application. Furthermore, inventory will be automatically updated once the customer makes a successful online payment. So next is the system artifacts/documentation. For this, we have 5 of it: project proposal, meeting minutes, system user manual, software requirement specification, and system design specification. Alright, that's all for expected result.
Greetings, my name is Angela Bigway 65435, and this is our project planning. So there is 18 tasks in our Gantt chart that we're using. So the first one is the distribution of tasks among team members, which is on the 19th of October. Then it's identifying problems, goals, and objectives, which takes up to 2 days from the 20th of October until the 22nd of October. Then is the analysis of system requirements and initiation of system proposal from the 23rd of October to the 8th of November. Then is our first submission of our proposal and proposals presentation, which lands on the 9th of November. Then it's correction of proposal, which takes 6 days from the 10th of November to the 16th of November. Then is the resubmission of the proposal on the 17th of November. Then is designing of the system prototype. So designing of the system prototype is from the 18th to the 19th of November. Then is the coding of the system and building a database, which lands on the 20th of November to the 30th of November, which takes up to 10 days. Next is the testing of the system prototype, which starts from the 1st of December till the 4th of December. Okay. Then is the submission of the initial report and demo of system prototype it lands on the 5th of December. Then planning of adding new features from the 6th to the 9th of December. Then is the analysis of requirements for new features, which takes 7 days from 10th of December to the 17th. Then is the redesigning interface to accommodate newly added features, which is from the 18th of December to the 23rd of December, which is 5 days period. Next is the rework of coding and database. So it takes 8 days from the 24th of December to the 1st of January 2021. So testing and maintaining the system, which starts from the 2nd of January 2021 to the 10th of January 2021. Next is also the implementation, which falls on the 11th of January till the 20th of January 2021. Then on the last day, 21st January 2021, it's the demo of the system and also publishing the system and also the project closure. So thank you for listening to our presentation and we wish you have a nice day. Thank you.